Hey, this is Dave Allred. I wanted to do a real quick and efficient review on this spray hose, or it's a spray nozzle for a hose, a garden hose by Alpha Home Products. And I'm out here in well, this is my side yard. As you can see, I have a little orchard here, some apple trees and some plum trees. And these apple trees, just to give you an idea of distance, is probably about, I don't know, 15 yards or so away. So anyway, let's take a look at this product here. Let me get in the sunlight here. Um, Very nice brass nozzle. Nothing, no complaints whatsoever about it. Comes with 2 extra rubber washers for, inside in case it starts to leak on you. These things, in my opinion, are a timeless item. They're priceless. I don't think you can have enough of these around your home. And this one in particular is, right up there with the best of them. So I want to show you how it sprays and, keep it short and simple. So let me open this up. Well, gives you great distance. I mean, the beam of water, I mean, it's shooting all the way to my apple tree and could even go further if I had another one way over there. Yes, my apple trees are not very healthy, and I'm trying to figure that out. But I could sit here and water my tree from 15 yards away with this sucker. So not bad, if you keep going, it just gets a thicker stream. You can do the misting thing as these things usually work, but 5 stars. Great nozzle, great product, no complaints whatsoever. Highly recommended.